I'm very surprised. I just did my hair with a technique that is super trendy. This technique is called Fitagem. It's very easy. You're going to take large strands, well moistened already with your styling cream on, enough to be able to manipulate. So here it is, sideways, sideways, towards the front like a brush, you shake. Here, I'm going to do it here, right where the layer is, all the way down. You shake, and since it's longer, scrunch and release. For the top, you're going to do exactly the same thing, but pulling upwards to avoid flat roots. Scrunch should never be missing. Gel to make it last, you know, caressing. Scrunch, that's how wet it looks, and that's how it finally looked. It's defined, but it's fluffy. Natural, and it's also very fast. I use this Sadal coffee and castor oil styling cream. Its magic is that it has active coconut oil, which makes the hair look like this. Just as you see it, shiny and soft. I am very happy. I love the technique. I love the cream. I loved everything. Now I'm going to enjoy my great hair. Bye, bye, bye.